So today we're going to get a closer look at my current fingerboard. Alright, so let's see what I'm riding. This is my pro model Nuzzi like bong graphic by Gooltd. It's Gooltd Ltd if you're looking it up. I'm also using the Narsaw shape right now. So it's kind of like a little edgy. It actually doesn't really hurt if you land primo. Like they're sharp, but it's really not that sharp of an edge. It's pretty chill. First, let's talk about the size. The size I'm riding is an 84mm by 34mm. So it's actually about 10mm shorter than most boards. So let me show you. Compare, this is my normal like 96mm board right here. And this is the 84 that I usually use. So you can see it's like significantly smaller actually. And you're asking like, why do I like such a small board? It's because it's honestly a lot more responsive when it comes to popping, and for certain tricks, it just works great for me. You look closer at the boards, the wheelbase on the 96 is a lot longer actually than the 84, so that's why the 84 is a lot more responsive. So the only real downfall to having such a small board is the nose and tail are a lot smaller. So when you land in nose slide, tail slide, it's a little bit harder. You have to be a little bit more precise, but overall, I think it's a little bit more responsive and it's a lot of fun. So let's get into the trucks next. So these trucks I'm riding right now are actually just like the normal cheap standard like $12 or like $15 trucks. The reason why, if I lose a fingerboard and if I have nice trucks on it, I'll be really bummed. And these honestly turn really great and I really don't mind them. Lastly, we'll talk about the wheels right now. Wheels from Chems FB. They're like just like the street urethane wheels or something. They sound pretty good. The bearings are nice and smooth. I mean, I'm pretty happy with them. This is like the Chems like F4 or F3 grip tape, but honestly, I'm not really too picky about my grip because once it breaks in, it's pretty nice. So, but yeah, comment, let me know what you guys are riding, what size you're riding, and let me know if you guys have any questions.